Alright, quick update on Dogelon Mars. So we haven't done much since I made my last video, so I will make this fairly quick. In the last video I highlighted how we do have this big head and shoulders that we have broken down from, and I haven't taken the price target of the head and shoulders because I do think that it's a little bit too extreme. But what I do think still is that we could be potentially bottoming somewhere down here at the 786. So when we talked about this breakdown like a week or so ago when I made my last Dogelon Mars video, this was a almost a 23% drop that we had planned, and so far we're down 10.5%, and we've come down like 11.5% so far. So we still do have like another 10% or so to go to the downside if we are going to continue this move. I do think that we are going to bottom somewhere around here for Dogelon Mars, but yeah, I mean, all in all, if we don't bottom here, we basically have no volume traded in this region, so if we do fall below the 786, I do think we could be slicing through it like butter. And I mean, there is a plethora of touch points down here, but like I said, there's not much volume traded down here, so I do think if we did break down, we would see a massive fall off the table. But like I said, I do have my eyes on us bottoming down here on the 579 region, mainly because the RSI and the MFI are already extremely low. So previously, I mean, the lowest we've gone on the money flow indicator for Dogelon Mars was 8, basically 9. And we're on 25 right now, so I think another 10% drop, especially a 10% drop very quickly, like a harsh drop, would bring us down very, very quickly. And I think that we would somewhat bottom around here. So all of the dog coins look the same pretty much, but at least Dogelon is holding above the 786 over here. So we are still somewhat macro bullish for Dogelon Mars. If we come over to Shiba, you can see it has broken below the 786 and it has started falling pretty hard since then. Dogecoin as well has dropped below literally everything we needed to be holding. So macro market structure for Dogecoin has broken, and in my opinion, Dogelon Mars looks the nicest, or it looks like the nicest setup for all the dog coins. It does have the lowest market cap, and it has the funniest name in my opinion, so that is why personally I do hold a small amount of Dogelon Mars, something like a net allocation of 1%, and I don't personally hold Shiba and Doge, even though they do look very similar. But I do think once the dog coins start rallying, Dogelon Mars will have a lot of room to run to the upside. So if we do have a strong bottom down here on the 786, I will be accumulating a small amount of Dogelon. But yeah, nothing's really changed. I think we're going to come down like another 13% or so. So yeah, keep your eyes on that. Once again, none of this is financial advice. If you are holding Dogelon, best of luck, and yeah, cowboy out. Peace.